Hi. What's up? It's me. When did I hear?
What damn it. We're gonna be playing White Noise.
It's kind of like Slender Man.
Yeah.
A little better.
Slender Nipples. Okay, so we gotta find all the tape recordings. Can't really turn the lights off because you can't really see it.
Yeah. You guys all want to see some sexy people.
Yeah. I gotta. I'll turn this one down. Oh, there's a tape here. I gotta turn that down. Turn this one off. Okay. Now they won't hear the game. They'll hear the new. Found one down there.
Sexy.
I know.
Have you ever found a lady before? Or
No.
12 or whatever?
I found 7 though, and then I died. I know.
Instead of saying that's gay, I started saying that's homosexual. Like,
That's homosexual.
but now people get offended because it's kind of like the same thing.
Probably.
I know. I said a gay joke in front of this bisexual girl, and she got really mad at me, and I'm like, are you serious? Like, take a joke, man. Everyone's so sensitive nowadays in this world. Like, honestly, this is a life lesson to all of you watching this video in your house. People are so sensitive. Like, honestly, I just want to punch everyone in the face.
I hear a tape, but I don't know where. Give me that. So we're gonna hunt the tapes. I don't know.
I do need to turn around.
Okay.
Oh, this game, it's not even here yet. One time I had no tapes and he killed me. I was like, how does this work? Literally, like, I turned around as a joke and he was right there and he killed me. I'm like, wow, okay. Can I exit this out?
Yeah. Okay. So far, I haven't. A tape! Oh my god, it's 3. Give me that Grand Fanny.
This one should start getting real.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. God damn it, won't let me run. You walk so slow.
Dude, Brady like is, you know, like. He's fat. Like, oh, here's another tape.
Oh, we're balling it now.
Oh, the music stopped.
No. Yeah, there's something there. Okay. There we go. You got this. I'm gonna turn around like what the fuck is that? Oh shit!
Oh god, run!
So dramatic. Ah, God, get out of here, you fat little lump of poop.
See, look at just probably picked up McDonald's, that fat fuck.
Okay, we got this.
Is there a table there?
I feel like it. I'm afraid to turn around.
Yeah.
You're fatty! Oh no, you didn't. Here we go.
Is there even a way to win these games, or is it kind of just like...
Wait, I hear one. Where you at, little boy?
Oh,
I found it! No, I got here! Oh shit! Don't do that to me. I get sensitive. Oh, great, breeze on.
Oh shit.
Here we go.
Dude. We got 2 and 3, dude. She's coming in and kick my ass.
How many do I have? 6?
5.
I think I got 6.
I feel like there's one over there.
Go up this trail.
Now it's mine. Oh. I'd put this in.
I'm afraid to look behind me.
I double dog dare you.
scrub! Go away, you scrub.
You think I'm not stupid? I know the stuff.
We got this.
So basically, your mom caught her smoking.
Yes.
Man, we got all that on video.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh my god, you little slut.
Boom.
Let me try my flashlight.
Plug it in and turn me on.
Where am I even at? I think it tells you like where. I mean, it's the online version, but it usually tells you like where you walked, how much you walked in the circle. Got this. Let's walk up this road.
But in the end, he found out he was, in fact, a failed abortion. That's how that's how all the Twilight movies should go.
Oh.
I bet you some Americans maybe see it probably.
We're fat people. Ah! My nipples. How many did I find?
5.
I bet you I found 6.
I bet you all the money in the world.
Fuck,
oh.
Okay, you want to go?
No.
No? Alright, well, see you guys later.